Hey privacy enthusiasts, want to keep your personal number safe while signing up for Pinterest? I've got you covered. Today I'll show you how to create a Pinterest account using a temporary phone number from MobileSMS.io. First, let's talk privacy. Using your personal number online opens you up to spam and targeted ads. But with a temporary number, you can dodge all that. MobileSMS.io is your go-to for this. Alright, let's jump into the step-by-step. First, open your browser and head to Pinterest. Click sign up. Second, enter your email and create a password. Hit continue, and then go to MobileSMS.io and sign up if you haven't. Pick a temporary number, short-term or long-term, your choice. And then, take that temporary number back to Pinterest. Enter it in the phone number field and click Send Code. And then, wait for the verification code to hit your temp number. Enter that code on Pinterest and hit Verify. And then, finish setting up your profile and boom, you're in. Now, why MobileSMS.io? Their numbers are from real SIM cards, so they work almost everywhere. Plus, you can choose numbers from different countries. It's flexible, reliable, and super easy to use. Here's a quick tip. If you're using a VPN, make sure your IP matches the country of your temporary number. This avoids any hiccups, and that's it. Secure your Pinterest account in minutes and keep your personal info private. Check out MobileSMS.io for all your temporary number needs. Happy pinning. Remember, privacy is power. Until next time, stay secure.